Hi, this is a problem of collision and center of mass. So they are saying is a body of mass 2 kg. So this is a body of mass 2 kg moving with a velocity of 4 meter per second. Makes an elastic collision with another body at rest. Okay. So this is 0 and this is u1, and then after that the first body moves with 1/4 of its initial speed, which is 1 meter per second, that is v1, and this body moves with say some speed v. We don't know that. Okay. The speed of the two bodies, center of mass of this. So what we'll do is we'll apply conservation of momentum principle, which is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. So what we get? We get 2 into 4 plus we don't know the mass also. M2 into 0 is equal to, presuming this body's mass is m. Okay. So then we get m1 is again 2 into v1 is 1 meter per second plus m into v. Okay. So from here we get mv is equal to 8 minus 2, 6 kg meter per second. Right. Now we will apply what will apply? Coefficient of restitution, because this is a perfectly elastic collision. So coefficient of restitution says that relative velocity in both the scenarios, post collision, pre collision, would be 1. So here we have v2 is equal to v minus v1 is 1 over u2 is equal to 0 minus 2. There is always a minus here. Okay. So now you can put a mod, whatever you choose. So v is equal to v minus 1 is equal to 2. So v is equal to minus 2. Correct? No, it was 4, I guess. No? I'm taking mass as the velocity. Okay, I'll correct. U2 was U2 was 4. U1 was 4. So 4 minus U2 was 0. So v minus 1 is equal to 4. So v is equal to 5. So v is equal to 5. Right? Now we know that mv is equal to, we'll put this value here. So we get mv is equal to 6 and v is equal to 5. So m is equal to 6 over 5, that is 1.2 kg. So now we got the value of the mass, second body, and the velocity of the second body. Now they are saying that the center of mass moves with some velocity, okay, which is x by 10. So we will apply the formula of center of mass movement. X comes, or rather I will write V com. Center of mass velocity is m1 v1 plus m2 v2 over m1 plus m2. We have all the values now. Okay, that is m1 is 2 kg, v1 is 1 meter, m2 is mv, so here we know anyway, that is 6 over m1 is 2 kg, m2 is 1.2. That makes it 3 plus 6 is 9. 1.2 into 5 is 6. 2 into 1, not 3. What's happening to me? Even normal arithmetic numbers are making mistakes. 8 over 3.2. Correct? We'll simplify this. So it becomes 80 over 32. 4 20s by 8. Okay. Correct? Mm, yeah. Furthermore, that is 4 5s are 24 twos are. This is 3.2, so I'm forgetting it. So this is a point here. This is 0.8. Okay. So this becomes 0.2. Or we can write, multiplying 5 on both the sides, we can write 25 over 10. Right. So what was the value? Here in this question, it is supposed to be x is equal to 10. So what is the value of x? Value of x is 25. Very easy question. Thank you.